Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm almost caught up. January and the first part of February really kind of got Darren and I down and behind, but we're catching up. I apologize to Melissa at It's a Stroke of Life, Melissa. She sent this to me before Valentine's. It seems it's a Valentine's gift, but I wanted it to have its own day, and it just didn't get done before Valentine's, but I'm very excited about it. Let's get this open. All right, let's see what's inside. Woohoo! Woohoo! Make sure it's all out. Happy Valentine's. She sends the cutest cards. She has a cricket. And for a long time, I thought it was her handwriting, and what perfect handwriting she has, which she might, but it's just perfect. Marna, thought you might like these fat quarters. They came in a bundle, and I know you like them. This is the cording I mentioned. Hope it helps till you find the white type. Love your videos. Wishing you the best. Toodles, Melissa. This is a unicorn, and wow, I can't tell you how thrilled I am, Melissa. This is to restring American Girl dolls. Darren and I looked high and low to find new cording for our American Girl dolls, and we have limped along because of it. So this, oh, that's a unicorn. Thank you very much. Oh my goodness, check this out. And summer is coming. Oh my goodness, I love, love, love flamingos. It's also on the card. And see the washi tape, how cute is that? Love flamingos. Thank you so much, Melissa. Again, I apologize that it got behind, but I wanted it to have its own day. You took the time to put this together and make a card. I want to take the time to give them their own video. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.